Mayor na Santa Cruz, sa isa ko rin hinahangaan kahit hindi siya umahanga sa akin. Mayor Marisa Rey Martinez. Ang ating Vice Governor dito, si Vice Governor Adrian Ramirez, kasama ko niya sa MCC. Magaling po yan, hanga rin ako dyan. At sa lahat po na hindi ko na mababanggit, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ito naman po ang masasabi ko, SAI 75 years of brilliant, excellent service to the community and to the province as a whole. Ito naman po ang pininiwalaan ni the late Attorney Policarpio Ricardo.
Once again, Ayesha Sia Isabella Kerubin. She is accompanied by our elementary princesses, Isabella Marie Fidalino and China Amelia Prieto. Once again, our Miss Elementary 2025, Ayesha Sia Isabella Kerubin.
Cassandra May Perilla Roma.
Mr. Daily High School, La Luz Raven Palatino Parilade. Talented and charismatic young man, was born on July 21, 2011. He is the son of Mr. Ray and Mrs. Evangeline Parilade and grew up in Barangay Banahaw, Santa Cruz, Marinduque, alongside his siblings, Ivan, Zedris, Meg, Sky, and SJ Parlagan. From an early age, Lanush displayed a deep passion for music and gaming. As a dedicated Mobile Legends player, he enjoys the thrill of strategic gameplay and teamwork. However, his true passion lies in music, where he showcases his talent as a member of the band TNSD.
With a dream of becoming a flight attendant, Antalya aspires to explore the world, experience diverse cultures, and connect with people around the world. She believes that with hard work and dedication, she can turn her ambitions into reality. Miss Knight High School, Miss Althea Jada Ritor Orwella.
Mr. Knight High School, Mr. Aldrich Zulueta Perilla. A student at Santa Cruz Institute, was born on January 22, 2009. He is the son of Mr. Perilla and is also lovingly guided by his guardians, Mr. Edison and Mrs. Julie Ibarra. He resides in Barangay Banahaw, Santa Cruz, Marinduque, where he has grown into a hard-working individual. Mr. Aldrich is passionate about basketball, a sport that not only sharpens his physical strength, but also teaches him teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. With a deep desire to explore the seas, he dreams of becoming a Marine, embracing a future filled with adventure, responsibility, and service.
Passionate about basketball, a sport that fuels his competitive spirit and teaches him the values of teamwork and discipline. With aspirations of becoming a pilot or a swimmer, he envisions a future where he can explore the world and embrace exciting opportunities. His determination will surely lead him.
As a grade 12 ABM student at Santa Cruz Institute, she has demonstrated grace and intelligence. Her passion for makeup artistry allows her to express her creativity and enhance her confidence. She aspires to explore different countries with a dream of becoming a flight attendant. Our Miss Senior High School, Miss Crystal May Reforma Rico Hermoso, with aspirations of becoming a teacher and a businesswoman. Miss Maria Susette envisions a future where she can empower young minds through education while also venturing into entrepreneurship.
And creativity will lead her to success. Miss Mika Chris Molina Moreno continues to strive for excellence, blending artistry and ambition as she grows. Miss Mika Chris Molina Murillo.
Mr. NCI, Mr. Seiji James Anthony Lee, it is Institute. He is recognized for his remarkable talent in trying to combine his skills in science and healthcare while serving the community. His determination and focus will surely lead him toward achieving his goals and making a positive impact in the medical field. Cheers for the 70th year founding anniversary of Santa Cruz Institute. Tinatawagan po natin si Miss Sheila R. Crubin at si Mr. Stimson Isabelo R. Camaso Jr.
Raven Palatino Perlaga. To give the bouquet for Miss Junior Day High School, Miss Cassandra May Perilia Rojas, may we call on her parents Mr. and Mrs. William and Priscilla Ross. To give the bouquet from Miss Senior High School, Miss Crystal May Reforma Regarmoso. May we call on her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Manuel and Brunilda Regarmoso.
Para magbigay ng bouquet para sa ating Miss Senior High School, Crystal May Reforma Rico Hermoso, tinatawagan po natin si Mr. and Mrs. Manuel and Ronielda Rico Hermoso.
From Mr. Senior High School, Mr. Ivan Perez Murillo, may we call on his parents, Mr. Juan Carlo Rodas and Mrs. Rosario Murillo.
Para magkabit ng corsage para sa ating Mr. Senior High School, Ivan Paras Murillo, tinatawagan po natin si Mr. and Mrs. Juan Carlo Rodas and Mrs. Rosario Murillo.
May we call on her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Sancho and Marlene Malaylay.
Para magbigay ng bouquet para sa ating Mr. and Miss College, tinatawagan po natin ang kanyang mga magulang, Mr. and Mrs. Sancho and Marilyn Malaylay.
Corsage from Mr. College, Mr. Alday Priata Perez, may we call on his parents, Mr. and Mrs. Alden and Debbie Perez.
Para magkabit ng corsage para sa ating Mr. College 2025, tinatawagan po natin si Mr. and Mrs. Alden and Debbie Perez. Kabit ng sash para sa ating Miss Elementary 2025, Ayesha Sia Isabella Kirvin, tinatawagan po natin si Mr. Arl Alden Hugh Manrique and Mrs. Maria Rogelet Rico Hermoso. sash para sa ating Miss Elementary 2025, Ayesha Sia Isabella Kirubin, tinatawagan po natin si Mr. Arl Alden Hugh Manrique and Mrs. Maria Rogelet Rico Hermoso. Elementary 2025, Ayesha Sia Isabella Kirubin, tinatawagan po natin si Dr. Austin Aaron Kirubin Manrique kasama si Dr. Maricris Lastra Rico Hermoso.
May we call her parents, Mr. Joel Murillo and Mrs. Maricris Recamara Polina.
Para mag-design ng bouquet para sa ating Miss SEM 2025, tinatawagan po natin si Mr. Joel Murillo kasama si Mrs. Maricris Recamara Molina.
Mr. Seiji James Antolin Lee, may we call on his parents, Mr. Oliver Banad Lee and Miss Marie Christine Constantino Antolin.
Para magkabit ng corsage para sa ating Mr. SCI 2025, tinatawagan po natin ang kanyang mga magulang, Mr. Oliver Batad Lee and Miss Marie Christine Constantino Anthony.
Mr. and Miss SCI 2025, Mika Chris Molina Murillo and Seiji James Antolin Lee, may we call in Honorable Manuel Bobs Ricarmoso and Rian Maris Maligdem.
Para magkabit ng sash para sa ating Mr. and Miss SCI 2025, Mika Chris Molina Murillo at Seiji James Antolin Lee, tinatawagan po natin si Vice Mayor Honorable Melvin Babs Hermoso Manuel kasama si former Miss Santa Cruz Rian Maurice Maricbel.
Toward the plaque for Mr. and Miss SCI 2025, Mika Chris Molina Morvillo and Mr. Warlito Constantino and Dr. Fretzy Alcantara.
Para igawad ang plaque para sa ating Mr. and Miss SCI 2025, Mika Chris Molina Murillo at Seiji James Antoninti, inatawagan po natin si Mr. Wardito Constantino at Dr. Fretzy Alcantara.
Kapatid pala ni Clarence yun. Kaya nga, ang ganda.
Anong address mo? Alpha Company Commander. Aloy! Dito ka sa dito.
Tinatawagan po natin si Attorney Janet M. Francisco kasama si Mr. Manny Baptito, Presidente at Country Director ng Essence Road Philippines.
Nakikita.
Zoom mo. Ay, nakita. Mga pahawak daw.
honored in a bittersweet moment to pass this crown to the next Miss SEI. They will continue to represent our school with pride and excellence. SEI is more than just a school. It is a community where dreams are nurtured, talents are celebrated, and friendships are built to last a lifetime. From reconnecting with classmates after the pandemic, to serving as a CAT officer, joining the student body organization, and performing as the vocalist of our school band. Every experience has helped me grow and discovered my strength. To my teachers, friends, and everyone who stood by me, thank you for shaping me into the person I am today. Until the next Miss SEI, this crown symbolizes our school's value, legacy, and strength of our community. Wear it with pride and honor. As we celebrate this Foundation Day, let us cherish the traditions that make Santa Cruz Institute extraordinary and continue to inspire greatness in each other. I am Geraldine Camille Robles, your Miss SEI 2024. Thank you, and may Santa Cruz Institute shine bright for generations to come.
Once again, our Miss SEI 2024, Miss Geraldine Camille Robles. Para ipasa ang scepter sa ating susunod na Miss SEI. Once again, our Mr. and Miss SEI 2025, Nika Chris Molina Murillo and Seiji James Anthony Lee.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be mesmerized by the royal walk of muses and escorts, a showcase of elegance and grandeur. This regal affair. The stage is set for the royal waltz. Let us witness this timeless tradition as our participants take the dance floor.
Bilang pagkatapos ng engrandeng okasyong ito, narito ang Royal Waltz. Tunghayan natin ang tradisyonal na sayaw ng ating mga kalahok.
tonight.
we're going home na. And tomorrow, merong parade sila. 3 p.m. So, tomorrow naman. And we're very tired. And I miss SCI 2025.
Ang pagod, galap. Alam mo ba, kaplansya pa ako pag-uwi?
Bakit? May ano ka pa, boss? Ay, hindi tayo kasha.
Tara na, uwi na tayo.
Hindi kasha.
Sa likod na lang tayo! Gabi naman!
Uy, yung phone ko.
Eh, sa akin na kayo malitan mo.
Uy, tingin-tingin daw dyan.
Sa likod na lang kita!
Kala ko naman. Kami ni Ibon. What?
O, ati din ni kayo. Anong oras ang biyahe ko lang? Libot? 3. And this is the Miss hapon. Kita yung maalis pa ng gabi. 5 kita maalis. 5.
Ay, pagod.
6, 7.
Pagoda.
Pagkares. Ano na, Ari? Tanggal na.
Binasa mo na rin ako.
Ay, di ako magalaw.
Ang bigat ng gown mo.
Hindi kita dati.
Basang-basa.
Magpapasa ka pa pala din.
Yes, take care. Taga na gawin mo ay?
Hindi na, may isa pa oh.
Mahirap mag-rain na, no, Micah? Napuno agad yung ano kung kailan tapos na. Yung video. Bukas naman. Ayun.
Napuno yung memory card?
Oo, bigla. Ayun, lalabas yung mga aso.